I'm Mike. I'm a Kwik Fit supervisor. Just helping out, looking after the customer, making sure the customer's number one every day. Definitely proud of my job. Seeing the customer smile makes me proud. They can either phone up, book an appointment, either driving, or they can book online for their tyres. All they need to know really is the tyre size and the car registration. The tyre size would be normally on the sidewall of the tyre, or if not, they can refer to the handbook. So turn around for one tyre, normally about 20 minutes, half an hour per car. Obviously it's a bit longer, we'll let the customer know. If you can't get the tyres or anything's not available the same day, Kwik Fit can arrange a taxi or a rental vehicle for the customer. My main aim when a customer comes in is to get them back on the road as quickly as possible. Because obviously if they've got any needs, we're all friendly, pop in, come and see us, not a problem.